Hi, welcome to 60-Second Snacks. This week we're making chocolate crackles and taking a trip down memory lane. You will need cocoa powder, icing sugar, desiccated coconut, rice bubbles and copha. First off, we're going to heat the copha on the stove in a bain-marie, is that what it's called? I'm just going to dump my 250 grams of vegetable fat in there. Now while that's melting, we're going to mix our dry ingredients. Our rice bubbles, our desiccated coconut, our icing sugar, and our cocoa powder. I'm going to mix it together until it's well combined. Now we wait 20 minutes for the copha to melt.
One eternity later.
Oh, sounds concerning. Uh-oh. We just pour it in there. Beautiful. Now we dispose of this. And we just thoroughly mix it through. All that remains is that we scoop it into our prepared patty pans. You can choose whatever size you like. We've made miniature ones, some very large and in charge ones.
They smell good.
Perfect. Now we put them in the fridge and we wait for them to set. Should take about 20 minutes.
60-second snacks.
There we go.
Oh, good. Probably a bit raw in the guts.
Raw?
When it's cooked, there's some flake or powder.
Oh.
But I have to eat it, doesn't matter. It's nice.
Thanks for watching this week's 60-Second Snacks. Enjoy!